question that you, or a statement I try to make when we do an audit is we're going to audit what exists. We're not auditing, and you use the exact right term. We're not auditing what should be. We're auditing what is. So I don't know what should be because we didn't have those conversations in the beginning. We didn't intake you and, we're just auditing what exists. And we're going to tell you based on what exists, what we would do differently. But again, if people ask me all the time, another question, which is what should my budget be? Well, that depends. It seems like we should be able to just put together a little type form that automatically answers all these questions for everybody. What should my budget be? $1,500.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. It depends entirely on your market, your goals. Do you want to own the market? Do you want to get a lot of leads? Do you have a bunch of people sitting around without work? There's more to it than just, it's a business. Yeah.
The funny part about the budget question, this drives me freaking nuts, is that every time somebody asks me that question, they already have a number that they're going to spend.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's so annoying. So you do keyword research. It's, oh, look, we go after these keywords and we have these keywords. We have there's like $30,000 a month worth of traffic. How much of that do you want? Oh, I'm only going to spend $3,000. Okay, so what the hell did I waste all this time for? Why don't you just say I have $3,000? Give me as much of the market with that $3,000 as I can capture. There's almost no strategic benefit to having, okay, let's spend $2,000 instead of $3,000. What's the strategy there? You get less leads. Okay, well, there you go then. What the hell is the point of all this research? I'm sorry I'm saying it like that, but it drives me crazy. There's no strategy. I mean, again, more leads, less leads, more market, less market. But if there's $50,000 available, are you going to spend it all? No. Okay, so what the heck does it matter? Just give me what you got. Let's make it happen. Let's make it work. And then we'll worry about growing it. When you want to grow, it's okay, how much more can we grow? Let's have that conversation. The best way to figure that out, run a campaign with your existing budget, look at the impression share, and figure out the difference. And now I can tell you with pretty good accuracy how much more you can spend and what the market share is. But doing it beforehand, Google's tools are not that great. The estimates are almost always wrong.
And they'll throw in broad match.
The CPCs are wrong. The CPCs are low, and the traffic is estimated to be high. And it's always the opposite of that.
Right.
Dustin, I'm going to cut you off real quick. Nick, you got to go in 30 seconds. What's a final note for you before you hop off?
Ooh, gosh.
Your leads suck.
The leads don't suck. You suck. No, from what Dustin says, so when we have a client ask us what should my budget be? I throw it back on them. How many leads do you want? If they give me a number of leads, I'm going to reverse engineer that. I'm going to tell them that. And then in 30, 60, 90 days, we'll revisit that. And I'll tell you how many leads are actually available at that, at that budget that we've decided on. But no, you guys are right. Again, auditing it's cringeworthy. Sometimes we have to do it, but at the same time, again, whoever's watching this, if you have access to your accounts, check a couple of easy things. Do not start meddling in an account if you're paying somebody to do it. You have to have communication with that person. Mm-hmm. If you don't get communication with your account managers, fire them. If you cannot get them on the phone, fire them. If they're not giving you reports, fire them. That's what you're paying for. You're paying for that professionalism. And if they can't be professional, then don't use them, and pay a couple extra bucks to get a true professional like one of the four guys here. That's very simple.